phrasal verbs with be. There are many of them. Here are some of the most common ones. Be about you. Be ready to do something. The bus is about to leave. He was about to say something. Be off. To leave slash to stop working. Bye guys, I'm off. Make sure the lights are off. Be out. Be absent from home or work. You can talk to my boss, he's out. Be out of. To run out of something. I'm out of flour, I can't make pancakes. He's been out of work for a long time. Be up. Be awake slash increase slash expire. It's 10 o'clock and Tina isn't up yet. The price of bread is up again this week. The warranty of the camera is up. If it breaks now, we'll have to pay for it.